questions that you want to know and you want answers to. Tell me what your number one question is going to be. Hey, Fred Lam here, and welcome to our Adtrics TV. Now today, I want to talk to you about a very specific topic, which is emojis on your ad. Now, when it comes to media buying, we want to make sure that we get the highest click-through rate possible in our ad so that we can experience the lowest cost per click and the lowest cost per sale. But when it comes to putting emoji in your copy, it tends to actually increase your click-through rate. However, does it work all the time? And how does it work? When should be using it? It's going to be the most important point. And in this video, I'm going to talk about all about emojis and what businesses need emoji and what businesses actually should stay away from emoji. Now, before I get into this video, if you like any of my video, make sure that you click the subscribe button right below. Click on that notification bell and comment below if you have any feedback, because I would love to actually listen to what you have to share, or if you have anything else that you want me to record or share about, I'm more than happy to actually shoot a video just for you. So now let's talk about emoji, all right? So emoji is very important when it comes to social media advertising. It's not used for search engine ads. It's not used for display ads. It's not really used for YouTube ads because there's not really a lot of place that you can actually put in an emoji. However, in the world of social media, emoji is very important. Having emoji in your post text and even on your ad can amplify the words, the benefits, the selling points that you have to your audience, to your prospects, and to your customers. And having emoji is important, but don't overly use emoji. There are incidents that happen when it comes to Facebook ads is that if you have too many emoji, you will actually get a lower ad experience from Facebook, which will cost you an arm and a leg when it comes to CPM. So using emoji, yes, you should use it, but you don't want to use it too many times. Now, when you are selecting the emoji, there are hundreds of different emojis that you can actually use. And you should really choose the ones that, number one, fits your brand and fits with the text that you actually have in your post text. Because if you use a irrelevant emoji on what you're trying to sell, it will actually hurt your click-through rate because people don't get why those emoji should be there, right? So let me give you a perfect example. If you are selling a women's product, it is wise to add in some hearts, to add in a female emoji, because that really paints the picture of the persona of your ad and who you're speaking to. When women actually see a female specific ad product or a service and they see those emoji, it quickly builds a rapport with them because women love to actually see hearts. So hearts works really well. Now, on the other hand, let's say that if you are a profession, you are a coaching business, or you are doing something in the world of business, having rockets that basically goes up, right? Having stars really help, because people paint the review, paints it as a review, right? And also having basically a graph of money going up will also help at the same time. Now, here's one thing though. There are some businesses that should not use emoji. For example, if you are selling a premium brand, right? Let's say if you saw an ad from Prada or if you saw an ad from Louis Vuitton, they're not gonna use emoji because emoji will actually hurt the luxury feel of the brand at the same time. And if you are in a very serious service business, let's say that you may be a lawyer, or you may be in real estate, or you may be in insurance. And if you have emoji in your ad, it may paint the picture of not serious, right? And you are selling something that is absolutely very serious, but having emoji on there may actually turn your ad to be not so serious, and the consumers are not gonna take you seriously at the same time. So these are the things that you gotta think about, right? Some ads, yes, you should use emoji. Some ads actually should not use emoji. Now here's another example for you. If you are primarily selling to the baby boomers, if you are selling to them, then having emoji doesn't make sense because baby boomers, they don't even know how to use emoji. Well, I don't want to make that fact, but I want to say they're not really trained, or they're not really, through the years of them emailing, texting, they rarely use emoji. Some may not even know how to use emoji. So if you're selling to baby boomers and you're having emoji in your post text, it may actually not help with your click-through rate. Because again, baby boomers are sometimes more serious than the younger generation. Now, when it comes to the younger generation that you're selling to, yes, emoji is an absolute must that you need to have. So when you are running ads, again, as a media buyer, you need to test it out. You should basically have two copies, one with emoji, one without, and really look at the click-through rates to see the significant difference with emoji and without emoji. But again, remind you of this, when you're using emoji, use the right emoji. Like women, use hearts. Men, use something that is very different, right? And also, one of the most important things is having arrows in your emoji. The arrows pointing to a link, the arrows pointing down, those also really makes the person read your copy in the direction that you also wanted. So again, does emoji really work? Majority of the time, yes. Sometimes it doesn't. And you need to actually understand your audience on who they are, what you're selling, and use the right choice of emoji in your ads.